Thank you very much for joining us once again. This is our 12th lecture on strategic financial management, and this is our 8th lectures on working capital management, and we are discussing today inventory management, and under the inventory management we will discuss levels of stock. In each organization, different levels of stocks are being maintained. These different levels are minimum level of stock, maximum level of stock, reordering level, and danger level. Why this is stocks are being made, the core objective of the maintenance of the stock is the smooth operations of the business. Stock should not be stored too much, which will involve huge amount of cost. Stock should not be stored too less that the company will be out of the stock and company will not be able to meet the deadlines and demand of the customer. So this is all called inventory management, and under the inventory management we will look into this: what should be the reorder level, what should be the maximum level, what should be the minimum level, what should be the danger level of the stock. And to decide all these different levels of stock, these are the key factors which are always considered, like what is the EOQ, economic order quantity. We have already learned what is the economic order quantity of the inventory. Basically, this economic order quantity tells us what should be the size of the order every time whenever the order is being placed. What should be the size of the order, nature of the material as well, maximum time required for the delivery. This is called lead time. Basically, lead time is whenever the order is placed and whenever the order is delivered. The difference in time in between the order will be placed and order will be received, this is called lead time. It also depends upon the material consumption rate as well, storage cost and insurance cost as well. Is this space available and working capital available? So all these key factors will be considered while deciding what should be the level of the stock. This stock control chart will give us more clarity about the movement of the stock, about the maximum level of the stock, and about the minimum level of stock as well. So we are at point 0, and at this stage this is the maximum level of stock. The company will start using the stock. When the stock will arrive here, this point is called my reorder level, means when the stock will arrive here, then new order will be placed. And when this stock will arrive here, at this stage we will again get the raw material. A stock will get it, and the stock that will get it, this will increase the level of stock. This is again called maximum level of stock. So this point represents the maximum level of stock, this point represents the minimum level of stock, this is called safety stock level as well. So this line reflects the consumption rate of the stock. So the point when this order will be placed, this is the point, this is the point. When this order will be placed and when this stock will be received, the difference between these 2 points is called my lead time. As we just discussed, this is the time difference in between the order will be placed and the order will be received. We all know this reorder quantity. Intelligent businessman, smart businessman, reorder quantity will be EOQ, because at this stage my storage cost, my annual storage cost and my annual reordering cost is the minimum, so this will be equal to EOQ. There is one more level of the stock as well. This is called danger level stock. Danger level stock will be maintained somewhere over here. We'll discuss in the next slide about the formula of the danger level stock. This stock reflects that if the level of the stock is arriving at the danger level, then urgency measures should be taken to place the order to the supplier who has a minimum lead time. So it should, this is my maximum level, this is my reorder level, this is my minimum level of stock or safety stock, this is called my danger level of the stock. This flowchart will be helpful to understand the different formula for the each level of stock. For reorder level is when we need to place the next order. This is called my reorder level. This is equal to maximum consumption into maximum lead time. This is called my reorder level. Maximum level of stock. What should be the maximum level of stock? If the stock is going beyond the maximum level, means we are overstocking, we are putting huge amount of money into the stock, we are wasting our resources. So stock should not go more than the maximum level, and the maximum level is equal to reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption into minimum lead time. This is called minimum level of stock or safety stock. What should be the minimum level of stock? This is called buffer stock as well. So minimum level of the stock is reorder level minus average consumption into average lead time or reorder period. Danger level of the stock is if the material reaches at this stage, at this level, order should be placed in urgency to the supplier who have the minimum lead time. And how can we ascertain the danger level of the stock? This is equal to average usage into lead time for the emergency supply. Average level of stock, we all know this. Average level is equal to 1/2 within bracket maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2. It will give me the average level of the stock. Let's take this example. Say the normal usage is 120 per week, minimum usage 60 per week, maximum 180 per use, maximum 180 per week. Reorder quantity is 2000 EOQ. Reorder period, minimum period is 6 weeks, maximum is 10 weeks, but in case of emergency, the supply is available within 5 weeks. My requirement is I need to calculate reorder level, minimum level, maximum level, average level of the stock, and danger level of the stock. This is a solution. Reorder level is equal to maximum usage and maximum lead time. Maximum usage is 180 and maximum lead time is 10. So this is called my reorder level. Minimum level or safety level of the stock is equal to reorder level minus average usage, average lead time. This is my average usage, normal usage. This is my average lead time. Average lead time is 6 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 8, which is minimum plus maximum divided by 2. This is average lead time 840. This 840 is the minimum level of stock. Maximum level of stock is equal to reorder level plus EOQ minus minimum usage into minimum lead time, and this is 3440. Average stock level is equal to maximum stock, which is 3440, minimum level of the stock 840. We are consolidating both of these and divided by 2. 2140 is the average level of the stock. Danger level as we discussed earlier, danger level is equal to average usage. Average usage is equal to maximum usage 180 plus minimum usage 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 120, and the lead time for the emergency supply is 5 weeks. So this is giving me 600. This 600 is the danger level of the stock. Thank you very much for joining us. In our next lecture, we will discuss just in time as well as what is the cost of stock out and how can we avoid the stock out. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the video. Click on the bell and subscribe to the YouTube channel.